Hello developers, hold on to your keyboard because I have a message on behalf of your design team. Our favorite design handoff tool Figma has just introduced a dev mode that will help you save hours of your time. Here's everything you need to know about it in 90 seconds. Just tap on this dev mode toggle on top right to activate it and you will see this quick start panel. Choose your OS and coding language, customize your Figma's look as you desire and select any plugins that you want to install. You can now clearly see all designs marked ready for development by your design team. Tap on a screen or component to view all details and documentation about that component. You can view its code in your preferred language, view the box layout, colors used, or export any assets from right here. You can also open any components in the playground here to explore all its variants and properties without changing anything in design. Tap on any screen to view its previous versions from right here to compare exactly what has been changed. You can now even use plugins for version control tools like GitHub. You can attach the GitHub code link or Jira Asana ticket for any component. This will allow all developers in your team to see the origin of this component and the code associated with it, all without leaving Figma. Figma now also have a VS Code extension, so now in VS Code you can view all the designs ready for development and view dev resources linked to the components. This extension allows you to add code for any design component you select. Now, you don't need to keep switching between apps and find all you need at one place, so that you don't break your flow state. The dev mode beta is free for all to try this year, so toggle that dev mode switch today to unleash the magic. Courtesy your design team.